Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to upload multiple photos to Google Drive from Android. We start by opening Google Drive, then click on New and then Upload. You can create a folder if you want to organize the content to upload. Next, if we want to upload several photos, we hold down one and after that we can click on the rest. We will see that the selected photos are marked in blue. Once you finish selecting, click Select and the photos will begin to be uploaded to our drive. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we will see that we have uploaded several photos to Google Drive. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.